All right, so let's go over currying in JavaScript. First, I'm just going to do it with vanilla JavaScript. So I'm going to say add equals, and traditionally, you would do an x and a y and then return x plus y. This is without currying. So if I were to console log this out and just do call add with like 3 and 2, we'll get 5. Okay, so that works great. But now what happens with currying is, you would say add equals a function that takes an x that returns another function that takes a y that returns x plus y. And the reason why we would do something like this is because now down here I can say add 3, and we'll just do, we'll call add, and we only need to pass in one argument here. So I can just say 3, and then I can say const 5 is going to be add 3 with 2 passed in, right? Because 3 plus 2 is 5. So if I were to console log this out, we should get 5. So that's kind of neat. We can pass in, the arguments separately. We don't need to pass in both. We can call that that function that's being returned later on. Okay, so now how would we do something like this with Ramda? So up here, I'm just going to import Ramda, and we can just say, const add is going to be, it's going to take an x and a y, and it's going to return x plus y. So just kind of like the first function we did. But now what we can do down here is say like, curried add, and this is going to be, oh, I just realized I got to make that curry. So down here I can just say curry and then pass in add. So that's going to make us a curried add. And then from here we can just say 5 is going to be curried add, and then we just pass in 2 and 3 here. Or, oh, sorry, not 2 and 3. Pass in 2. So let's just say this is going to be 2, or we'll call it add 2. And then this down here, we'll just call it 5, and it's going to be add 2 and then pass in a 3. So if we console log that out, we should get 5. Let's see what's going on. Reference error, curry, oh, misspelling. There you go. So yeah, that's currying for you. Give this video a like if you found this helpful. Thanks.